Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I'm going to share my experience of taking digital notes with different stylus, starting from very basic stylus with huge rubber tip to Apple Pencil, which one you should buy and which one not. So first of all, let me tell you that there are two types of iPad are available in the market. One is the normal iPad and another one is Pro versions. Although there are exception of Apple Pencil support in normal iPad 2018 version. Hence, I'm going to divide this video into two parts. It's for non-pro version and another one is for pro version. Now let's talk non-pro version first. As we know, still there are a lot of people which are using non-pro version like iPad 1, 2, 3, 4 to iPad Air 2, iPad 2017 which does not support Apple Pencil. Starting with super duper cheap rubber tip stylus. Those stylus are really cheap, but when you start writing on iPad, the amount of surface that actually interact with the screen is too wide, and due to that, the amount of force that you need to apply is huge. Because of large area of contact, your hand will eventually get tired after one or two paragraphs. And the second thing is those super duper cheap stylus will got wear and tear off very soon. So it is not a good choice to use those stylus, and even buying those stylus is just a waste of time and money. Now if we talk about few years back, there was an era of Bluetooth stylus from companies like Wacom, Adonit, and even the big companies like Adobe. They have launched their stylus, but the thing is they are not precise enough, and especially with all the stylus they have a problem of wobbling. Like whenever we plot a line diagonally, the straight line turns into wave. So whenever we write with such kind of pen, our writing became more and more clumsy. And another problem with those pen was like there is always lag with them, and your tip is offset from the screen where you touch. Now here comes the third type of stylus, which are passive in nature. I mean, we do not need to connect them through Bluetooth, and they are having this kind of precision disc. So this is Adonit Jot Pro, and these are really very precise type of stylus, and some company have started copying them as well. Now let me just show you how precisely it works. Or let's just create a new page where I can show you. Here you can see it works like a charm, and with the applications such as GoodNotes, you can even keep your hand on the screen and can work with this one like this. Despite this thing is passive, but it offers super precision, and only one problem: you should not use stylus directly over your screen. You should use tempered glass, because this thing is so stiff, like it may scratch your screen. Now let's just talk about the Pro version of iPad. So if we talk about iPad Pro version, undoubtedly the Apple Pencil is the best stylus for them. Now let's just talk about how we can get a best writing experience. Now if I compare this kind of stylus with Apple Pencil, then I would say there is no competition. If you are really serious about taking handwritten notes, then you should upgrade to iPad Pro with Apple Pencil, or you can go for Microsoft Surface. So that's all guys from my side. In my next video, I will be talking about best handwritten note taking application. And till then, bye.